As Tyler Tim, I was involved in production. Fiction is regarded as somewhat spiritual by extraterrestrial nature, as in, how can you make a story which did not enroll? The story is made as if it did. Many stories within Chimera, for example Black Hole, are woven with truth-handled history/future history. It is no scandal I was working with Ori hosts in production and prophetic informationalism took place. David Blake's presentation of Dune is loaded with actual Akkadian prophecies. There is a Blake tooth, a weapon which attaches to the tooth, activated by motion in thought, and kills weapon user and secondary victim by noxious gaseous contagion. There is a spice which is the espice, the feces of a worm. The Akkadian 4D hallucinogen we use of this is called Zerilis. The introductor to the film Doom, who recites the prelude, is from our own home. Differentialized DNA was to be unaccepted by the populace, and for supervised safety was placed on Earth. She was of population known as Deborah. When the planets are introduced, the first one has a name meaning 3-spice minor. The Zerillian fecal spice vermeer creature ate crap. It is about 3.5 to 4.5 feet. Its crap is the leaf and tonic of our imperialist species. It is supranationalism. When one ate another's crap, which disloyaled the species, he was like a spice thief. The second name means your Zerillian vermeer has worms, suggesting parasitical retinue of your best sound cure. The third means the downness of the dark, the never-found Savar, the battleless dimension, like an Apunti, a downtrod come-down episode of Heroin. The undergrounders resemble Earth Argos clique. Sometimes, through Ori logic and love, a person does have temporary blue eyes of nudo coronae. Mordib's room is a clonal exact copy of mine before I exited the population. We have not exacted full rebellion of the populace yet, as other parts of the film shows. Understandably speaking, there are novels of the pictures. It is a multi-standard rule that I am not to read fiction, however. Clockwork Orange has a tone of Heroin, the Clockwork Dream episodes. Clockwork Orange is about real temporal mistakes which have actually taken place. Mistakes horrible like the torture of kittens, gone terribly, terribly wrong. Mutilations of our temporal frequency have taken place. This is a movie about a part cause. Night of the Living Dead is about a near-future Flagstaff, Arizona. Blue Velvet is about the inevitable future breakdown of the United States of American police force. Producers have a way of accepting several units to add plots to the pilot, so higher exopolitical parts are shown, and these have been some examples I have been able to mention here, especially with David Blake and Tyler involved as Tyler, whom is still inevitable. Thank you very much.